Hi, and welcome back to another episode of The Joy of Painting. Today we're going to be painting a happy little painting that I'm not quite sure of yet, so let's get started. So we're just going to grab some phthalo blue and smack it up in the sky wherever we want. Let's just grab some more blue and bring it right along the side. Sorry if you couldn't hear me there. I didn't really have my mic on, but now I do, so you should be able to hear me a little better. So we're just going to add a couple of clouds into the sky, so just grab some white on your brush and plop them right in. And maybe right here it'll live. Now let's just grab some white and add some snow onto this mountain right here. Let's just add another mountain right on the other side of this, so just put it right there. Maybe this is a big one. And just go straight down this mountain. Let's get more of that blue and just add the shadows onto the side of this. Dot some trees in anywhere we want. Add some land, just living out here. Grab some blue, some brown, some green, mix it in there, and just put something living right down here. Make some splishes and splashes running right along here. Let's grab some brown and some white, mix it together a little bit, and just make the little rocky things living out here. Start up here, drop in a big old tree going straight down the painting, and make these into little birch trees. Just grab some paint thinner on your liner brush, and let's just go wherever we want and start adding them in. Let's grab this brush, grab some yellow, just tap it right on there, and just put in some happy little leaves living on these trees, maybe some green. Yeah, that's a pretty color. Now, I think we're looking at a finished painting. So from all of us here, I'd like to say happy painting and God bless.